In this video, I will show you how to add transition in video starting points in CapCut. So after you open up the CapCut like this, now here is my video clips. So now I have transition between the clips, this one and this one. So if I play it, let's see. So I can see now I have the transition between the clips, but I don't know how to add the transition in the starting point. So let me show you how to add it. So now select the first clip. After you select the first clip, go to this animation. Under the animation, go to this in. Under the in animation, now go ahead and select the transition you want to use. So let's say for me, I want to use, let's say this one, two. So as you can see now, if you just click on the video, it start by animation. So change, say I want to use this fade. So if I select the fade, you can see now it start to the fading like this. So you can go ahead now and choose the animation you want to use for your video. After you select the animation, just play it. It will just show the animation at the starting point like this. If you want to change the duration of the animation, just select the clip. So and then if you come to this animation in, so here it will give you the duration. So you can increase the duration if you want, or you can decrease the duration and play it and see how it works. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.